guys, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, September 18th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar yen starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the dollar yen, I still think this is likely the end of a wave 5, and if it is, then it eventually will take out the low of wave 4. I think eventually it needs to either make an A or a 1, a B or a 2, and then we're going to decide whether it's a wave 3, which would do that, or whether it's a wave C, which would do this. At this point in the pattern, because this is a monthly, weekly time frame pattern, it is definitely not important to know the difference. Now, today is FOMC day, interest rate for the US dollar. It's going to be a very, very big volatile day for all the US dollar pairs. And I will be live streaming for that news event today, so if you want to stop in and see my latest opinion right before the news comes out, definitely stop by and watch my YouTube live stream. But anyways, taking it down to the weekly time frame, I still say this whole move down is either a wave A or a wave 1. Does not matter to me whether it's a wave A or wave 1 because the trading strategy is exactly the same. Next move up should be a crescent to the move down, either a wave B or a wave 2. The trading strategy is exactly the same for a wave B or wave 2 also, which would be looking for longs on shorter time frames. So going down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we still don't have a breaker structure to the upside, so I would still primarily be looking for shorts in a downtrend. Today is a really big news event day, so I mean, it definitely seems like today would be a day where you may end up getting that breaker structure. So going down to the 4 hour time frame. Now, they do plan, or at least they forecast, that they are going to be cutting interest rates. And lower interest rates should fundamentally mean that the dollar would go down. So I think the whole world is going to be looking today at the fact that the dollar is going to go down. To me, the US dollar looks like it needs to go up. I think that today is going to be a big bear trap for the US dollar, which means that the US dollar pairs are probably, well, the dollar yen would probably go up. It may end up making a push down trying to trap everybody in a sell, but I think it is likely to go up and probably going to end up breaking structure to the upside. So let's take a look at it on the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, to me, this definitely looks more like a trend. I mean, it looks like a 1, 2, 3. Kind of looks like this could end up doing something like this, do like a spike reversal, and then go up and break structure to the upside, which would definitely turn me into a buyer at the end of every single pullback I would see from that point on. But like I said, I definitely need to reevaluate this before the news comes out, which is why I'll be doing a YouTube live stream. So make sure you stop in to see my latest opinion on all your favorite dollar pairs. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.